Hi students, welcome back to All Force Maths class. Dear students, in this session I am going to discuss the problems on the basis of point of intersection of the lines and congruent lines. Please note the first problem. The equation of the line passing through point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal 0, 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal 0, and perpendicular to the line 5x minus 2y minus 7 is equal 0, 5x minus 2y minus 7 is equal 0 is dash. In this case there are two lines. First line is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and second line equation is 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. These two are intersecting at particular point P. Now the required line is perpendicular to this line and passing through this point. So first we find the point of intersection of these two lines. Next we find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this value. Okay, first given lines. What are the given lines? 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. By using cross multiplication method, we find the point of intersection of these two lines, or by using elimination method also we find the point of intersection of the lines. Okay, first we write the middle coefficients. What are the middle coefficients? 3, 4, minus 1, minus 6, 2, 3, next again 3, 4. Okay, what is the first value? It is the x coordinate, it is the y coordinate, corresponding values are x, corresponding values are y, it is the constant term. Now, by using the cross multiplication method, what is the condition? X by AD minus BC. AD means minus 18 minus of minus plus 4. Minus 18 plus 4 is equal to y by AD minus BC means minus 3 minus 6 into minus of minus plus 12. Okay, that is equal to 1 by AD minus BC means 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. Okay. Next, it can be reduced into that implies x by minus 18 plus 4 means minus 14 is equal to y by minus 3 plus 12 means 9 is equal to 1 by minus 1. That means minus 1. 1 by minus 1 means minus 1. So, what is the value of x? Equate this value to minus 1. X is equal to 14. Y is equal to minus 9. Therefore, point of intersection of these two lines is 14 comma minus 9. It is the point of intersection of the line. Okay, these two lines. But the required line is perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular to this line. That means first we find the slope of this line. First we find the slope of the line. Okay. Next, but the required line perpendicular to 5x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. What is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is equal to 5 by 2 minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Therefore, perpendicular slope is nothing but minus 2 by 5. So, slope of the required line, m is equal to minus 2 by 5. Okay, slope of this line is 5 by 2. Perpendicular slope means m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. By using that value we find the slope is minus 2 by 5. Product of these two values is minus 1. Okay, now the equation of the required line is nothing but if the slope is given a by b or minus a by b are given, we know the equation of the line. It is slope is minus 2 by 5. Therefore, equation of line is ax plus by is equal to ax1 plus by1. That means 2x plus 5y is equal to 2x1 plus 5y1. Here the line passes through the point of intersection 14 comma minus 9. Substitute this point in this equation, we get equation of the line. 2x plus 5y is equal to 2 into 14 means 48. Next 5 into minus 9 means minus 45. Okay, 48 minus 45 means 3. That means 2x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the required line. Suppose in this case, find the equation of the line which is parallel to this line. Parallel means the slopes are equal. So, required line slope is 5 by 2. By using slope point form, we find the equation of the line. Okay, next. Please note this value. Next, second one. The number of integral values of m the number of integral values of m for which x coordinates of point of intersection of the lines, 3x plus 4y is equal to 9 and y is equal to mx plus 1 is also an integer is dash. Here we find the number of integral values of m. Now we find the values of m which are integers such that the point of intersection of this line, these lines is also an integer. Which values are integers? X coordinates of this point of intersections are integer. So first we find the point of intersection of these two lines. What are the given lines? 3x plus 4y is equal to 9. That means 3x plus 4y minus 9 is equal to 0. It is the equation number 1. Second line, y is equal to mx plus 1. That means mx minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. It is the second line. By using the cross multiplication method, we find the point of intersection of these two lines. First we write the middle values. 4 minus 1 minus 9 1 3m again 4 minus 1. It belongs to x, y, 1. Okay, by using cross multiplication method, what is the condition? X by AD minus BC. X by AD minus BC means 4 minus 9. Minus into minus plus, again third minus. Okay, minus into minus into minus. That means minus 4 minus 9 means minus 5 is equal to y by AD minus BC means minus 9m. Minus 9m minus 3 is equal to 1 by AD minus BC means minus 3 minus 4m. Minus 3 minus 4m. By equating this value to last value, we get x is equal to minus 5 by this value means 5 by 3 plus 4m, comma y is equal to 9m plus 3 by 3 plus 4m. Okay, minus minus cancel. But from the given, we find the integral values of m such that the x coordinate of the point of intersection is integer. This is integer. This value is integer and m is also integer. Then now we find the number of integral values of m. Okay, but from the given, the x coordinate is integer, but x belongs to z. That means 5 by 3 plus 4m belongs to z. Okay, x belongs to z and also m belongs to z. Now we find the number of integral values of m. M is also integer, x is integer. For getting this value is integer, x coordinate is integer. Please observe this value, numerator is 5. 5 by 1 means 5, integer. This value is 1, then we get integer. 5 by minus 1, that value is also minus 5, integer. 5 by 2, it is not integer, rational number. 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 5 by 5, again integer. 5 by minus 5. So, for getting this value is an integer, 3 plus 4m is equal to 1 or 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 1. Okay, again 3 plus 4m is equal to 5 or 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 5. Please observe these values. It is plus or minus 1. 5 by plus or minus 1 means plus or minus 5. Then automatically x coordinate is integer. If it is plus or minus 5, then 5 by 5 means 1, 5 by minus 5 means minus 1. So it is integer. There are two possibilities. At the same time, m is also integer. Find the value of m and you take which is integer. Okay. Now 3 plus 4m is equal to 1. 3 plus 4m is equal to 1 means what is the value of m? 4m is equal to minus 2. 4m is equal to minus 2. m is equal to minus 2 by 4. That means minus 1 by 2. It is not integer. So it is not the answer. Here both m and x coordinates are integer. Here x coordinate is integer but m is not integer. So leave it. Okay. Next, 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 1. 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 1. What is the value of 4m? 4m is equal to minus 4. m is equal to minus 1. It is integer. So one of the possible values m is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, 3 plus 4m is equal to 5. 3 plus 4m is equal to 5. What is the meaning of this? 3 plus 4m is equal to 5. That means 4m is equal to minus 2. m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here x is integer but m is not integer. So this leave it. Okay. Next, 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 5. 4m is equal to minus 8, m is equal to minus 2. Again it is integer. So how many values are possible? M is equal to minus 1, m is equal to minus 2, m is equal to minus 1, m is equal to minus 2. Okay. Therefore, number of integral values of m are only 2. They are minus 1, minus 2. In this case, m is equal to minus 1 by 2, x coordinate is integer, but m is not integer. Here m is equal to minus 1 by 2, this x coordinate is integer, but m is not integer. Please observe that values. Please note this value. Next, third one. Please note the question. If the lines 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0, comma 5x plus by plus c is equal to 0 are concurrent, then b plus c is equal to dash. The given lines are 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0, and 5x plus by plus c is equal to 0. These are given lines and they are concurrent. Find the values of a value of b plus c. If the three given lines are concurrent, what is the condition? Already in last class we discussed about this point. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0, then these are concurrent. What is the condition? That of a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3 is equal to 0. The condition is that of a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3 is equal to 0. But the converse need not be true. If that value is 0, these lines are concurrent or parallel. Okay. If the lines are concurrent, what is the condition? This is the condition. Okay. By using this condition, we find the value of b plus c, or alternative method. By solving the first two lines, we get the point of intersection. Concurrent means all of these lines having a common point. So first we solve the 1 and 2, we get the point of intersection P. This point P must be lies on the third line. So substitute that point in equation 3, we get the value of b plus c. Okay. Please write the values. First given lines, 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. These are the lines. By solving 1 and 2, this is the first method. By using cross multiplication method, we find the value of point of intersection and substitute that point in this value. Second method. Okay, second method. In second method, what is the condition? That of a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 is equal to 0. In first method, you solve these values and find the point of intersection and substitute that point in this equation, we get b plus c. It is the first method. Okay, next second method, that of 3 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5 3, 5 bc is equal to 0. This value is 0. Already we know the expansion of the 3 by 3 determinant. By using that expansion, what is this value? 3 into eliminate corresponding row column and determinant value of this value. That means minus 5c minus 3b. Okay. Next minus 2 into, next eliminate these two values. AD minus BC means 2c minus 15. Next minus 5 into, eliminate these values. Corresponding data value is 2b plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. Next. After simplification, 3 into minus 5 means minus 15c, minus 9b, minus 4c, minus into minus, what is this value? Plus 30. Okay. Next minus 10b. Next minus 125 is equal to 0. Okay. Next. What is this value? Minus 15c, minus 4c, that means minus 19c, minus 9b, minus 10b means minus 19b, 30 minus 125 means minus 95 is equal to 0. What is the common term? Minus 19 is the common term. Okay. B plus c plus 19's 95 is equal to 0. Please move this value to RHS. 0 by minus 19 means 0. That means b plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. That implies b plus c is equal to minus 5. Now we find the value of b plus c. Therefore, b plus c is equal to minus 5. It is the answer. Please note this value. Next, coming to the fourth problem. Very important problem. If the lines, it is the multiple option question. If the lines ax plus by plus c is equal 0, bx plus cy plus a is equal 0 and cx plus ay plus b is equal 0 are concurrent, then which of the following are correct? Which of the following are correct? Options. First option, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab is equal 0. Second option, a is equal to b is equal to c. Third option, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Fourth option, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. Okay, it is a multiple option question. Please observe these values. The given lines are ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is one of the line. Bx plus cy plus a is equal to 0 is the second line. Cx plus ay plus b is equal to 0 is the third line. All of these three lines are congruent. If three lines are congruent, what is the condition? That value is 0. So, since these lines are congruent, since the lines 1, 2, 3 are congruent, therefore, det of ABC, BCA, CAB is equal to 0. Determinant value of this value is 0. After expansion, it can be reduced into A of AD minus BC. That means BC minus A square minus B of, eliminate corresponding row column, eliminate corresponding B square minus AC, okay, plus C of AD minus BC means AB minus C square. AB minus C square is equal to 0. After simplification, ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC minus C cube is equal to 0. That means A cube plus B cube plus C cube, move these values to RHS. C cube, ABC means 3ABC. If it is moved to RHS, then it value reduced to minus 3ABC is equal to 0. Please observe this value. The condition is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0. It is the condition. So, first one is definitely correct. No doubt about it. Okay. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0. If the three lines are congruent, what is the condition? Det value is 0. Det value means A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0. Next, what are the factors for A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC? The factors for A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus A. These are the factors for A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. That means, that implies A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus A is equal to 0. If xy is equal to 0, what is the condition? X is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. That means, what is the meaning of this? A plus B plus C is equal to 0 or A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus A is equal to 0. This value is equal to 0 or this value is equal to 0. A plus B plus C is equal to 0 means this C. C option is also correct. Okay, next, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA means, what is the meaning of this? This value is 0 only when, it is possible only when A is equal to B is equal to C. So, A is equal to B is equal to C is also correct, but it is wrong. It is wrong. Please observe this value. Yet A is equal to B is equal to C, yet A is equal to B is equal to C, the that value 0, that means the lines are congruent. But, yet A is equal to B is equal to C. Please observe this value. Yet A is equal to B is equal to C, yet A is equal to B is equal to C, the line equation 1 can be reduced into Ax plus By plus C. What is the common term? A is the common term. That value x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Substitute the value of A is equal to B is equal to C in this equation. This equation is also x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, this equation is also x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. All the three lines are x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That means they are coincident lines. They are coincident lines. Family of concurrent lines means they have only exactly one point in common. They are intersecting at one point only, but these are coincident lines. So it is failure case. Please observe this point. A is equal to B is equal to C is not a correct answer. Actually, we get A is equal to B is equal to C, but at A is equal to B is equal to C, the given lines are coincident. So it is not correct. Please write that value. But at A is equal to B is equal to C, the lines are coincident. They are not concurrent. Okay, so it is not a answer. So correct answer A comma C. Fifth one, the value of K for which the lines kx plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0, 2x plus ky plus 3 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0 are concurrent is dash. If these three lines are concurrent, what is the value of k? In this case, options are given A, B, C, D. Now, what are the given lines in the given equation? Kx plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0 is one of the equation. 2x plus ky plus 3 is equal to 0 is the second equation. And 3x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0 is the third equation. Since these three lines are congruent, if three lines are congruent, what is the condition? Det of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 is equal to 0. So, for congruent lines, det value 0, that means k2, 2, next 2k, 3, next 3, 3k is equal to 0. Okay, since the three lines are congruent, therefore, det value is equal to 0. After expansion, it can be reduced into k into corresponding row column. After deleting corresponding row and column, it can be reduced into k square minus 9 minus 2 of, by deleting second row and first row and second column, 2k minus 9 plus 2 of 6 minus 3k is equal to 0. Okay, that means k cube minus 9k minus 4k plus 18 plus 12 minus 6k is equal to 0. Okay, after simplification, k cube minus 9k minus 4k minus 13 minus 6k means minus 19k plus 18 plus 12 means 30 is equal to 0. Okay, it is a cubic equation in k. In this case, we get three values of k. Okay, in this case, we get three values of k. How we find that values? Okay, it is a cubic equation. By trial and error, first we find one of the root, and by using the central division, we find the remaining roots in the quadratic equation. Okay, first by trial and error, it is the equation k cube minus 19k plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, put k is equal to 1. If k is equal to 1 satisfies this equation, 1 is one of the root. By substituting this value, 1 minus 19 plus 30, that means minus 18 plus 30 means 12 is equal to 0. It is meaningless form. So, k is equal to 1 is not the root of the equation. Put k is equal to minus 1. By substituting minus 1, we get minus 1 plus 19 plus 30 is equal to 0. It is also meaningless. 18 plus 30 means 48 is equal to 0. It is also meaningless. Next, put k is equal to 2 in this equation. 8 minus 38 plus 30 is equal to 0. That means 38 minus 38, 0 is equal to 0. It is 2. That means what is the root of this equation? K is equal to 2 is one of the root in this equation. Please observe this value. K is equal to 2 is one of the root in this equation. Here, K is equal to 2 is root. What is the equation? K cube minus 19k plus 30 is equal to 0 and k is equal to 2 is one of the root. By using centric division, we find the remaining roots. Here, what are the coefficients of k? What is the coefficient of k cube? K cube coefficient 1, k square coefficient 0, next minus 19, 30. K is equal to value 2. K is equal to 2. 0, 1, 2, next 2, 4, next minus 15. Minus 15 into 2 means minus 30, 0. Okay. What is this value? Quotient value is k square plus 2k minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. After factorization, it can be reduced. What are the factors? 5 into 3 is equal to 15 plus 5 minus 3. That means k square plus 5k minus 3k minus 15 is equal to 0. K is the common term. K plus 5 minus 3 is the common term. K plus 5 is equal to 0. Finally, we get k is equal to 3 or k is equal to minus 5. We get k is equal to 3 or k is equal to minus 5. Finally, the values of k are k is equal to 2. What are the values of k? K is equal to 2 or k is equal to 3 or k is equal to minus 5. These are the values of k. Please observe the options. 2, 3, 5. Wrong. 2, 3 minus 5. It is possible. 2, 3 minus 5. It is correct. But At the same time, at the value at k is equal to 2, please observe these equations. At k is equal to, the given equation kx plus 2y plus 2 can be reduced into 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. This equation can be reduced into 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Second equation can be reduced into 2x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Third equation is 3x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Please observe this value. In this case, slope is minus 1. Slope m is equal to minus 1. In this case also minus 1. In this case also minus 1. That means the lines are parallel, not congruent. The lines are parallel, not congruent. But at x, k is equal to 2. But at k is equal to, the given lines are parallel. They are not congruent. If det of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 is equal to, the lines are parallel or congruent. Parallel or congruent. In this case, at k is equal to, the lines are parallel. But from the given, the lines are congruent. So, k not equal to 2. K not equal to, at k is equal to, they are parallel. They are not congruent. So, remove this k value. So, what is the correct answer? By removing 2, we get 3 comma minus 5. The answer is 3 comma minus 5. Please note this value. Next, sixth one. The lines p minus q into x plus q minus r into y plus r minus p is equal to 0, q minus r into x plus r minus p into y plus p minus q is equal to 0, and r minus p into x plus p minus q into y plus q minus r is equal to 0 forms, please write the options, forms an equilateral triangle, forms an isosceles triangle, are congruent, forms a right angle triangle. Here, what are the equations of the lines? These are 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Suppose these 3 lines are congruent, that means all of these lines having a point in common, then they are said to be congruent. Congruent, no triangle forms. If these lines are not congruent, then they forms definitely a triangle. First we find the lines are congruent or not congruent. If the lines, if that value is 0, then they are congruent. Then option C is the correct answer. Otherwise, it is forms a triangle. So, we verify the nature of the roots. It is equilateral triangle. What is the condition? All sides are equal. Isosceles, any 2 sides are equal. Right angle, what is the condition? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. By using that property, we find the nature of the triangle. But in this case, first we find the lines are congruent or not congruent. If congruent, C is the correct. Otherwise, we by using the nature of the triangle, we find the remaining options. Okay. Now, what is the det value? The given lines are 1, 2, 3. Now, determinant value of this value is equal to p minus q, q minus r, r minus p. If the 3 lines are congruent, what is the condition? Det of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 is equal to 0. Now, we check the det value. Okay, p minus q, q minus r minus p, q minus r minus p, p minus q, r minus p, p minus q, q minus r. Okay, by using elementary operations in matrices and determinants, we use this way. Please replace R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. By using elementary operations, R1 can be replaced as R1 plus R2 plus R3. That means R1 plus R2 plus R3 means P minus Q plus Q minus R plus R minus P. What is this value? 0. Next, by adding these values, we get 0. Remaining values are same. Q minus R, R minus P, P minus Q, R minus P, P minus Q, Q minus R. Here, first all the elements in the first row are equal to 0. So, determinant value of this value is equal to 0. That means det value is 0. Therefore, the given 3 lines must be congruent. So, what is the option? These are congruent. If this value is not equal to 0, then they form a triangle. We find the options. Okay.